Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use circular rings. First, always choose the correct ring for your specific application, considering its material and diameter. For instance, a 1-inch external retaining ring requires a 1-inch shaft. Next, verify that the groove on your component is clean and free of burrs, with a depth of at least 0.03 inches. Finally, prepare your specialized retaining ring pliers, ensuring they are the correct size for the ring's eyelets. Now, let's install the ring. Carefully insert the tips of your retaining ring pliers into the 2 small holes or eyelets on the ring. For an external ring, gently squeeze the pliers to expand the ring just enough to fit over the shaft. For an internal ring, spread the pliers to compress it. Guide the ring smoothly along the shaft or into the bore until it is directly above its designated groove. Then, slowly release the pressure on the pliers, allowing the ring to seat firmly. After installation, it's crucial to verify the ring's security. Gently try to rotate the ring within its groove. It should not spin freely, but should be snug. Visually inspect the entire circumference to ensure there are no gaps or areas where the ring is not fully seated. A properly installed ring will have minimal play, typically less than 0.01 inches. If it's not seated correctly, carefully remove and reinstall it to prevent potential failure. When it's time for removal, use the same type of pliers you used for installation. Insert the plier tips into the eyelets and apply gentle pressure to expand or compress the ring, just enough to clear the groove. Carefully slide the ring off the component. Remember, never force a ring, as this can damage both the ring and the component. Always wear appropriate safety glasses, as rings can sometimes spring off unexpectedly, traveling at high speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.